The cutting-edge autonomous smart suit has finally arrived, boasting unmatched features like self-regulation of temperature and adaptive fit technology. As it's unboxed, each component hints at groundbreaking innovation, from its responsive fabric to sensors that monitor biometric data in real time. Designed for both tech enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals, this suit promises to redefine the boundaries of wearable technology. However, the anticipation takes a dramatic turn as we test its limits through rigorous trials that push every functionality to the edge. And in a surprising finale, the smart suit is deliberately dismantled to reveal the intricate technology within, leaving viewers in awe of its innovative design and complex engineering.